Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana video update. And we've seen Bitcoin making some huge move to the upside. We've seen Solana moving higher to the 36 level. So what I want to do is jumping into the 4-hour time frame, and it seems like the last time we talked about this, some sort of an ascending triangle, it actually did play out, right? The ascending triangle made some fake outs here. I'm not so sure why this one happened, where it was supposed to go down there, but then again made a fake out, pop to the upside, met the technical target, and now we're retracing down, and we could be retracing all the way down here to $33.71 at the moment. So let's see, I'm going to actually extend one resistance that I do see, and that's going to be somewhere near there. Okay, so just remove that line like that, and we already have this resistance. So the question really is, can you actually just come down and hold this level, or was this the right shoulder in the making, because you do have the left shoulder as well? So this was some sort of a left shoulder, the head here, and then you had the right shoulder. So let's see. But this cannot also be right shoulder because you're trying to come up here. But anyway, this $30.94 is a place where it's interesting to see Solana right now, and you don't want to lose that level at all. Just don't want to lose that one. Right, so let's look at this thing on the daily time frame, and let's try to figure out what's going on. So you do have a little bit of an uptrend going here, which is going to be that you made a low there and you have a higher low right over there. So great, amazing. So what I'm going to do is bring up this resistance line potentially, and to me so far it seems as if this was like nothing more than basically a break of a resistance, right? So what you did is you had this resistance there, resistance here, there as well, here as well. This is where the real breakout really shoot to the upside, and then you came down for the retest, and so far it's like you bounced off the retest, and then you pretty much started bouncing off here, right? Isn't it? This could be the start of an uptrend as well, right? Could be the start of an uptrend. So what I would say is a proper downtrend can continue when you lose $25.96, right? And right now at this point of time today, you have 15 hours 12 minutes more to actually close the Solana candlestick. I just want to see if Solana has a bear flag, just as Bitcoin has bear flag on a 3-day time frame. Okay, so Solana to USDT. What the hell? Let's get it. Yeah, so on a 3-day time frame, we don't really have that clear bear flag just as we have on the Bitcoin. So yeah, that's not something happening. So the next thing is, I would like to just suggest that we want to see if this level is going to be retested right now. Okay, so that's going to be $33.55, right? So you've already crossed it after quite a while. Now can it actually come down and hold the retest, and then it could actually start to move a little bit higher as well. And that's it for this quick update on Solana. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.